Flash drive scam. Imagine if you were walking to school or work one day and you see a USB sticking out of a wall, or perhaps it's simply on the ground. A lot of the time people will pick these up simply to see what's on it, and sometimes they want to clear it to use the USB stick for themselves. But you should never do this. There's a common scam which involves criminals leaving USB sticks around. These USB sticks are rarely simply dropped by a normal civilian. Usually a computer criminal will stick it in between the gaps in a brick wall. They do that so you notice it, or sometimes they'll simply leave it on the ground. They wait for you to take it home and put it into your computer, and then the fun for them really starts. There will be a ransomware virus on that USB stick as soon as you plug it in. You don't even need to open any files, it immediately infects your computer and encrypts every file you have. You then need to pay them in Bitcoin, an untraceable currency, to unlock your files. Examples of ransomware include the WannaCry virus. In 2017, this locked millions of people out of their computer files, and made an estimated $24 million for the people behind the hack. The US, UK and Australian government said North Korea was behind the attack. But anyone can put this on a flash drive and leave it around, so never pick up a flash drive if you see it in a wall or on the floor. Instead, hand it in to your local police department. That way if it's real, the owner can come forward, and if it's not, no one else will get infected.